Hi guys, so this is going to be a very quick video. I'm going to show you how to get the 7 marks on the matrices question. Alright, first they say the matrix T is such that T is equal to 2, negative 1, 1, 3, and they says determine the inverse. That's what it means. T minus 1 means the inverse of T, and that is worth 3 marks. And for the next one, the matrix T maps point AB onto the point 49. Determine the values of A and B. So I'm just going to show you quickly how to get that 7 marks on the matrices question. So before I begin, could you guys just like the video and share it with a friend? Do not be selfish, alright? So let's go. So it says find the inverse. Now, before we begin, let us look at what is a 2 by 2 matrix. Every 2 by 2 matrix is in the form A. I'm going to use a different color. So let me just, I want to show you guys something. So let me just do that. I need to go up to the block. Alright, so every 2 by 2 matrix is in this form. A, B, C, D. Now, what is the determinant? To get the determinant, we're gonna say, all right, it's gonna be AD, and I'm definitely color coding it because I want you guys to see what's happening. So it's A times D minus B times C. So this is what we call the determinant. So we have to do that first, and to get the final answer, we put 1 over the determinant, and then we're gonna multiply by what we call the adjoint. So to get the adjoint, I'm gonna put it right here. To get the adjoint, we take the negative of B and the negative of C. And interestingly, we swap the position of A and B. So that means B go up here, and then we have A right here. Alright? So very interesting. So we swap the position of A and B. So let us do that right now. I'll go back to the block. Alright? Hope you guys see what I'm trying to say. So we multiply A times D, so that's 2 times 3 minus, so it's AD minus BC, see there? B is negative 1, so you bracket it out, and C is 1, so it's negative 1 times 1. So 236 minus negative 1 times negative 1 gives us minus 1. So in the end, we get 6. These two is going to become plus 1. So that works out to 7. So remember, this is what we call the determinant. So what we're going to do now, we're going to say, all right, since we have a determinant, and remember what it is, it's 1 over the determinant. So the determinant is 7. So we can literally just take away AD minus BC now and put 1 over 7. Remember, we say we're going to swap the position of A and D. So A is 2 and D is 3, so we swap it. So 3 go up the top now, and then we have 2 right here. And then, this is the part that mess up a lot of students. This is already negative, so we take the inverse, which is positive 1. And this now becomes negative 1. We did not swap it, we only change the sign. It just happened to be 1 and 1, right? But we did not swap it, we only change the inverse of each. And this will give you 3 marks in the exam. Alright, let's get the other 4 marks. Let's go, let's go. We said the matrix T maps the point AB onto the point 49. Determine the values of A and B. Alright, so let us rewrite this. matrix because they didn't say the inverse, they say the matrix itself, T. Alright, so let's rub out this so we can see T clearly. We don't need this anymore because we're not finding the inverse. So make us write back this, which is 2, -1, 1, and 3. Remember, we don't know the value of AB. They told us that AB, we don't know what AB is. So what we can do is put AB right here, but we know what it must equal to, right? And it was given, let me just go here and to the point 49. So it maps it on to the point 49. Let me take up this a bit. So more I'm a bank up quick. Alright, so we have 49. Alright, so in order to solve this, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be multiplying row by column. This is already one column, so we have one column right here, and then we have our row right here. So this is row 1. Guys, I'm teaching you how to get the marks, so just pay attention carefully. Alright, so we're going to multiply 2 times A. It's row by column, it's only one column. We use row 1 first, and then we use row 2. So it's 2 times A, which is 2A, -1 times B equal -B, and that is equal to 4. Next, we're going to use row 2 now, so it's 1 times A, which is A, and 3 times B, which is 3B. And that must equal to this number right here, which is 9. Guys, you like the video yet? If you like the video, alright? So now we're gonna solve for this, right? As you can see, this is a simultaneous equation because we have 2a minus b, 2 unknowns. So we're gonna do it up here, so I'll shut it down, alright? So we have 2a minus b equal 4. We also have a plus 3b equal to 9. So we're going to multiply by 1 and 3. So we're going to multiply this by 3 the irregular way. So I work 4 marks, guys. That's why I say I'm going to do it because I book up on a very interesting one. 3 times 2, that is actually 6. I don't know where I write 3 here. So 3 2s, that's 6a. 3 times that minus 3b. And then 3 4s 12. What I'm doing, guys, I'm just looking for the unusual questions and then post them, alright? So 1 times a, that is a. 1 times 3b, that is 3b. And remember, this is why we multiply because we want both of them to have 3 in front of them, right? And then 1 times 9 is equal to 9. So all we have to do now is just add and we get it. So this becomes 1 plus 6. We're going to add all of that, right? Which gives us 7a. This is going to give us 0 because negative and a positive, yeah. 12 plus 9 is equal to 21. So as you can see, we can easily find the value of a. So a works out to 3. So the value of a is 3, and they did ask us to find the value of b. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's find the value of b. So we can substitute. I'm going to use equation 2 since a plus 3b equal to 9. We know that a is 3, so we substitute it. I'll put back our plus 3b. I'll do it like a regular equation. So we're going to subtract 3 from both sides since this is positive 3. So this gives us 3b equal 9. If you're just joining, you know, put it already here and all of that. So 3b is equal to, what's 9 take away 3? That gives us 6. and then we divide by 2. So our answer B is equal to 2. So here we have it. We solve for A, and now B is equal to 2. Alright guys, so I'm teaching you how to get that 7 marks to block in your examination. For those of you who want my number, you're in grade 10, you want help, whatever, you know I'm always here. This is my number. My name is Lennox Bennett. Thank you for watching this video. Alright, so for those summer classes, SBAs and all of these things, join my class early. Alright, just be early guys. A lot of people signing up already, so ensure that you just join up early so you don't get left out. Alright, I'm gonna take 1 week vacation and then that's it. Right back at it. So, alright, so see you guys in another video as I search for more interesting questions. We're not spending some out, no doubt. See you guys in another video. Big up everybody from Trinidad, Guyana, Barbados, Bahamas, Guatemala, Cayman, everywhere you go, guys. St. Vincent, St. Lucia, big up everybody. Grenada, Saba, anyway, Jamaica, large.